Alright guys, I can't believe it's gonna happen, so I gotta hurry up and do this before the battery dies. But I flew my drone like an idiot too far. Luckily, I flew it where there was a relatively open line of sight to get to it if it went down. I thought it was gone, I'm not gonna lie. And I completely had the mind thought of, do I even attempt to go find this thing? Because it's gotta be gone. It's gotta be. I lost video, I tried to throttle out of it, and thought when I throttled out of it, I'd pop up above whatever I was behind, and we'd be good to go. That didn't happen. I can hear the drone. I can hear the drone. Can you guys hear that shit? Oh, I'm so excited. But anyway, I thought for sure everything was gone. Everything was gone. Everything was gone. And I'd never see it again. So much so that I literally considered not even going to search for it. That's how stupidly far I went. And that's why I'm here now, to show you guys this. And this is why, oh my gosh. More importantly than the drone, sad to say, the GoPro, the warranty. Can't return the warranty if you don't have the GoPro. Right guys? Yeah, right? Yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe we found it. We found it. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, we are in the middle of nowhere. Nowhere. Let me unplug this thing. This is why you set your fail safes. This is why you set your beepers. This is why you do what you're supposed to do. And then when you accidentally do something dumb, you got a chance. God, I got so many bugs and stuff in my eyes. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Just look at it. GoPro people were pretty dirty. Sorry, guys. Y'all put up with some shit. 32 minutes. 32 minutes and I found it. Holy crap. Wait till you see this hike back. Where do I'm gonna let both of y'all watch it. I don't really care. We're a family. FPV is family. Fun. I cannot believe we found it. Holy shit. Never give up on your quads, guys. Never give up. Never. Don't ever just, oh, it went down, I'll never find it. Do it. Look. Find. Oh my gosh. Just look at this stuff, guys. It's amazing. It is amazing that I found it. And those of you with the GoPro footage, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. When you're watching this, you're gonna be like, oh my God, what's he doing? Oh my God, what's he doing? That idiot. You're right. I was. Oh. Look, I'm so excited. I left stuff at the bottom of the hill that I brought with me. So, you know what? I don't have enough hands for this. You all seen it. So, I'm gonna end you here. You all haven't seen it. So, I'm gonna keep you alive and with me. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end of this, you know what's up. Have a good one. Stay safe. Oh my God, guys. I cannot believe I found it. I cannot believe it's in one piece. I cannot believe it's not off in these tree lines somewhere and not where it was easily found in the middle, the dead middle of this track. But when I realized I had screwed up and gone too far, and I realized I had gone and lost my bearings, first thing I did was make sure that I was over top of this power line area to make sure that if it did go down, it went down in a findable area, hopefully. Talk about lucky. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, like, check this out, guys. Check this out. I don't know if you see it right down there. Rock, water, everything. Just rocks down the side of that. Power lines. The fact that this thing just fell from the heavens like an angel softly. GoPro's still recording. Y'all know them GoPro problems. Shit hits a bump, stops recording on you. You did the coolest shit ever, and you're like, oh my God, I have no footage. It only fixed, you know, like 30 seconds, and the best shit was at a minute in. Oh. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't mind me, I'm just so ecstatic right now. We're gonna party like it's 1999 tonight. I say that, I lived through that shit. Everybody thought the world was gonna end. God, how many more times is that gonna happen? Oh wait, happening again. Yeah. Nobody's gonna see the presidential election because another asteroid. Sorry, I shouldn't even have gone there. Like I said, guys, I'm just so ecstatic. I even found this damn thing. You're gonna get tired of watching me bullshit and talk to you, trying to get back to where I started flying at. But just trying to prove a point. Don't ever give up on your drones. If it goes down, no man left behind. No quad left behind. No GoPro left behind. Can't use that warranty if you don't have it. Never give up. Go for it. Oh my God. This is killer, guys. This is killer. Oh my God. Whew. And the best part of all this is I totally exhausted myself trying to get down this way before the battery died. Because, you know, once the battery's dead, no more beeps, no more video, no more nothing. Just pure luck and hoping you can get your phone to GoPro Connect. I really didn't want to have to do that. So thank God we made it. Oh my goodness. In shorts, like an idiot. But at least I got my boots. Oh my God. I have to take a breather. Hey, Shotgun, if you're watching this, who needs a bike? Go fly the mountains and lose your drone. Oh my God. No, seriously, I commend you for trying to do what it takes to stay fit for yourself and your family, man. Keep up the hard work. Oh my goodness. Alright, you know what? Y'all don't want to sit here and watch me foam at the mouth, all out of breath and shit. I got a hell of a long hike. You'll just have to watch the GoPro footage when I put it out. I'm so sorry. I got here in like 8 to 10 minutes. It's gonna take me 30 to 40 to walk out because I can't breathe anymore. And I'm not trying to destroy my equipment to get back. But I needed it. Thank God I had it in order to find my drone. Now I have beepers set up. One trick I learned from the old Ride to Riot crew: cover your Omni with your hand, use your patch. Look around. You'll pick up the directional signal to your drone. So when you regain video, you know that's the direction you gotta keep walking. If you get past it, you'll know, because you'll lose video. When you turn around, you'll have video again. Well, I'll tell you what. Starting to catch my breath. So if you guys want to hang out, hang out. If not, hang the heck up, close the hell out, whatever you got to do to get the heck out of my face or me out of your face. And wait for the GoPro footage to come out. But we were way down there. Down there. Now we gotta go way up here. And over and over and over the woods and through the... I'm too tired to find my way to Grandma's house. Oh my God. But once again, if you all watched my one winter footage, my snow trek video, I'll put a link into that if I can. I don't know. I'm trying to do this stuff for my phone at the moment. So, but if you haven't watched my snow trek video, I'm basically in the same type of mountain range, just different spot. And when you're up in these type areas, make sure you have stuff to keep yourself safe. Bear mace. I don't know if you can see it, but I got bear mace in my pocket. This is bear country. Predators are real. You ain't gotta carry a gun all the time, but make sure you got something to protect yourself, because you're not gonna win in a fist fight with an apex predator. Ooh, look at that. Whole deer rub. No, I was not searching deer spots. I am strictly out having fun recreationally, and I do not hunt this particular area of the mountain. Which is why I fly here. I don't want my drone scaring everything away from where we're planning on hunting. Whew. I might have to let everything dry out when I get back. Goggles and radio, drone. Never give up. God, my sweat is burning so bad. It just won't stop. It's so humid out. That's what sparked this entire thing. There was all kinds of fog up and down this one real open power line set. And I was like, oh my God, that'd be so cool. Fly to the top of the power lines, back down again, back up to where we're at. Like an idiot. And it would have been great. It would have been perfect. I would have had it. If when I got to the point I wanted to turn around, I had just turned around. Instead I was like, oh, everybody's got to see this. And I started yawing around, spinning around, giving a great view. And then when I stopped to come back, on one side of me was Foggy Mountain, on the other side of me was Foggy Mountain, and I couldn't tell which one was my mountain. So I pick and chose. I chose wrong, folks. I was like, oh, that side's not so foggy, and the side I just flew was foggy, so I need to go to the foggy side. The foggy side was the wrong side. I guess while I was flying one direction, the fog cleared behind me, and I needed to go back that way. Anywho, lost video. Again, I think I might have told you this, I don't know. I'm so just full of adrenaline and excitement from drone retrieval. There's nothing best. Oh, I'll tell you what's best. it's best not losing your drone. But it's such a rush to lose your drone. Be 100% certain it's gone. Expecting your efforts to be futile. And then coming up with exactly what you left for. Something about that you just can't beat. So, we're almost to a point where I can cut this off, guys. And then you'll be able to see exactly what I did. Cat poop. Western Maryland, y'all. It's fun. It's exciting. It's where you want to be. Is that somebody else's slogan? Oh no, West Virginia is wild, wonderful. Is that what I said? I don't even know anymore. I can't think. I just keep thinking about, holy crap, I lost my drone. I found my drone. Look. Oh, hello. Is it back? Is it back? Where'd it go? I don't know. Stupid lighting. Maybe it doesn't look like that for you as it did for me a minute ago. Oh my God, it's getting so hot. Whew. Just rained. Now the sun's coming out. Whew. Waist high grass. Everything's sopping wet. We're almost there. Came from there. I doubt I'm walking back the same exact path I brought, because I don't remember the same exact path I took to get here, because I was just rushing to get there. Knew about where I got down. I was trying to get there before my battery ran out. Thank God I was smart enough to go, hey, I'm going to go relatively long distance. I should go 5S instead of 4S. Fucking smart move, Mike. Woo. Everybody won't be like Mike. Nah, not today you don't. Unless you're talking about the retrieval. Cause it's like sucks. Oh my God, so tired. How about that view? That's what makes me come out here. Oh, thank God I put a longer antenna on. Usually I run a stubby because of how much I wreck. Not today, folks. Longer stem for longer range. Although, if I had the stubby, I probably would have lost range sooner. I wouldn't have had such a far walk. Sweat burns my eyes so bad. When I get back, I'm laying down and chugging water for 2 hours. Oh my God. I think I just swallowed a bug. I was hungry, but not that hungry. I don't know what's beeping. Sound like my GoPro. Maybe because I didn't turn it off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Break time. I gotta get in the shade. This'll do. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright. Y'all done watching me suck wind. Long story short, well, it's not short if you're still here, but Way down there is where the drone went down. Way up there, hopefully you can see it, the white speck. That's where we're parked. That's where I took off from. We flew to the top of the mountain and back down. It was supposed to come back up. Well, we walked it back. Oh my God. So hot. Anyway, these are my antennas. This is my drone. Nothing fancy. My controller. No long range setup. Nothing fancy. Just cojones. And a little bit of what we call an idiot gene. One hell of a golden horseshoe stuck up my you-know-what when it comes to this drone stuff. Alright, y'all. I'm going to sit here in the shade, catch my breath, and I'm going to finish hiking over to there. We started there, hiked over there to get our shit back, and headed back up to there. Have fun, be safe, GPS your drones, do as much smart stuff as possible. Never give up, always go look. Always go look. Stay safe, y'all. Keep flying. Send it.